Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Neytiri 3D. Now we are going to see our Part 2 Kigali Masterplan 2013 WEB-GIS. As you can see, in my PC interface I have two web internet. There is a Google and Explorer. We are going to see which one is more efficient than other to access on the Silverlight and to access on the GIS so that we can see our master plan, Kigali master plan. Let's start by this slide interface window. I type Kigali master plan 2013 and then I press enter. I come here to WEB-GIS and then Microsoft Silverlight. Click to install Silverlight. Get Microsoft Silverlight, and they are telling us that here, as you can see, they say you are learning on a browser that may not be fully compatible with Microsoft Silverlight. You can still try to install by clicking below, or you can refer to the system requirements for the more information. You can see that they are telling us that this web is not well compatible to learn the Silverlight, and when we come below there is direct download link. There is install for Windows and install for Macintosh, and what we do is install for Windows both from Google Chrome and Internet Explorer. You can see that here our Silverlight is being downloaded, and what we do is to show in folder we go and we install it. But due to what they have said here, you can see that we can't get on the final result as we just want to get on the GIS. They have said that this Google Chrome is not well compatible, is not fully compatible with Microsoft Silverlight. That's why we are going to jump to the Internet Explorer. We do the same Kigali Masterplan 2013. But before this, what you do, it's like you go in your download folder and then you install this Silverlight. Okay, now it is well installed in my PC. You can see here in Explorer we have Kigali WEB-GIS. Immediately when you have installed Silverlight in your computer, you immediately get on your master plan in easy way. Free from here they are telling us this not well fully compatible. Okay, now I just wanted to show you the difference when you try to use Google Chrome to visit GIS, or when you try to use the Internet Explorer. You can see that the Internet Explorer is well and quick to access this GIS master plan. Okay, now we have City of Kigali Masterplan 2013. When we come here on the left side, we have menu. In the menu there is search and layer. In search is where we just provide the information of the plot we want to check on the master plan. There is the first search features and search type. We select on the parcel ID, and then we select district. For instance, select there is in Gasabo, Kicukiro, Nyarugenge. Let's select Gasabo and select the sector. And the sector we select the Mela and cell. We kill it too and select the parcel ID. Let's randomly choose 313 as the ID port, and then we do what we call search. Okay, you see that when you fill the well information due to the number of your plot, immediately they give you your plot. You can see it is in red line, red well marked line in red, you can see that our plot is 313, and here we have search result. In search result is where you can find the zone PDF. It is regulations. You download, you click here and download. You see that there is zoning regulations. In zoning regulations, and those are the guidelines of the city of Kigali. You can see that on the first article 1.2, zoning regulations commercial. There is a mixed use commercial district C1. There is uses, permitted uses, prohibited uses, and so on. There is coverage. There is a maximum building coverage, 70% minimum, and so on. There is what we call building maximum number of flow to flow height, building from attached building or apartment. There is existing building. Those are the guidelines and recommendations that have to be applied. There is building site back. There is service area and equipment. There is park. There is fencing and walls, circulation, signage, and landscaping and recreation. Okay, this is it is in the PDF format. You download it and then you read it carefully so that you can apply each and every recommendation and guidelines which have been highlighted here, so that your project can be well and well accepted by the authorities and can be well fulfilling the recommendations. Okay, you can see here that we have in menu, we have also a layer. In layer there is bring map, Kigali master plan, administrative boundaries, wetland boundaries, topography, Kigali master plan, proposed. Okay, here on the parcel there is a tick here. When you do it like this, you'll stay with the line of your plot only, but when you activate the other plots, you see that you can get the topographic placement of the plots, the top one, but also you can reduce the visibility of the neighborhood plots, but not 100%. But when you want to remove it 100%, you remove this take castle, and there is the select parcel. Also there is the time you activate this, you can see that red line, that boundary red line, which was showing the difference of our plot with others, it have gone. But when you activate it, yeah, you see that it is well bordered. Also you can decrease the concentration of the line, you can bring it back. Also in our light side we have also tools. In tools there is zoom in, zoom out, there is full extent, there is pan, there is zoom previous, there is zoom next, there is full screen mode, there is magnify lens, there is major. Still on major, click, this is where you can measure two different things. You can check the linear distance when you are trying to see the distance between 2 points, and there is area where you want to see the surface of the plot. By using the linear distance, you can click here and then you select the unity. It is in meter. You can check like from here up to here. It is you check here, it is 37.64 meter. On this side it is 133.78 meter. Then when we come up to this side, you see 161.59 meter, and then the last side is 243 meter. Okay, clear selection. And then let's check area of the plot. We come checking the area like this, and this way, okay. You can see that we have 2805.044 square meter of this plot which have been selected without any consideration. It was selected randomly. And also we have to clear, and I was here, and have to close this measure. And we are in overview. There is overview, there is plaint. When you want to plaint what you have seen here, this report here, you can print it or take a screenshot by clicking on the window print screen like this on your keyboard. We have print, we have clear section. When you clear section, you see that we no longer have that boundary line of our plot, but when you want to bring it back, you have to search again so that the line can come back. You see that it came back. Okay. And also we have identify tool. This is the way you can check the plot according to the ID of your plot. You can do the same steps for reaching on your plot. And also you see here we have the north. Click on the move north. There is a west, east and south, and we see that when you click, you can see the many ID plot. You can see that there is a huge plot here. You can select one of them due to your plot or due to the plot you want to check. For instance, when you have a client and give you the ID plot so that you can check the size and behaviors of the site, you can come and check by providing the plot of any of the site here. Any of the plot you provide, select parcel ID, then you get your plot in quick way. And the next thing is that we have something here on the bottom. There is a scale. You can see that as long as we adjust or we zoom in or we zoom out the scale and the percentage changes, you can see that the scale is on 606. You can see that now it is on 1371, and here we have coordinate X in the black color and the coordinate Y. And I just wanted to thank you and reminding you to subscribe so that we can stay together in each and single work I will be providing for you, just for gaining more knowledge and skills in architecture and civil engineering industry. Thank you.